Hyperwallet is mainly used to receive payments from platforms like Shopify Payments, Upwork, or other partners. You cannot create an account directly on hyperwallet.com. You must be invited. Receive an invitation email. When a partner like Shopify, Miracle, Publicis approves payouts, they send you a unique Hyperwallet sign-up link. Check spam folder. Click the invitation link. It takes you to Pay Portal, hyperwallet.com, or a PayPal branded page. Choose account type individual, most freelancers, business, companies. Fill in personal or business details. Name, date of birth, address, phone, tax ID, or SSN, required for KYC. Add bank account or PayPal email. Choose payout method, bank transfer, or link your PayPal account. Verify identity. Upload ID plus proof of address if requested. Activate account. Once approved, usually 1 to 3 days, you can receive payments worldwide in EUR, USD, etc.